If you're over 55 and often feel tired, colder than others, or your skin and hair just don't look the same, you might think it's just aging. But in many cases, it's not your age, it's your thyroid. That tiny, butterfly-shaped gland in your neck controls almost everything from your energy and mood to how your skin, hair, and heart function. When it slows down, life starts feeling heavy. Today, you'll discover the most common signs of an underactive thyroid, how to check it at home, and what you can do to restore balance naturally. Let's begin with a simple test. Your thyroid sits low in your neck, right above the collarbones. When you swallow, it moves slightly up and down. You can test it yourself. Take a sip of water, tilt your head back, swallow, and look in the mirror. If you notice swelling or a lump, it might mean your thyroid is enlarged, a condition called a goiter. Here's what happens inside. Your brain constantly monitors thyroid hormone levels. When they drop, it sends a chemical signal, TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, to make more. If your thyroid can't keep up, your brain keeps shouting louder, forcing it to grow but not produce enough hormone. Over time, this can cause pressure in your throat, difficulty swallowing, or feeling short of breath. But even without visible swelling, the symptoms can be widespread. Because your thyroid acts like your body's metabolic engine controlling how fast or slow every cell works. When it slows down, your energy, mood, skin, and even your heartbeat all follow. The National Institute on Aging says thyroid imbalance is one of the most underdiagnosed issues among older adults, especially women, because its symptoms mimic normal aging. 1. Fatigue that doesn't go away. When your thyroid is low, your cells produce less energy. You feel constantly drained, even after sleeping well. 2. Dry, itchy, cracked skin. Thyroid hormones control oil production in your skin. Without them, the skin barrier weakens, causing that winter skin feeling all year. Sometimes, thick, scaly patches appear on the hands or feet, but the good news is they often heal completely once thyroid levels normalize. 3. Hair thinning or brittle nails. Your hair and nails are made mostly of keratin, a protein that depends on thyroid hormones. When levels drop, growth slows, and hair may fall out faster, including the outer part of your eyebrows. After treatment, most people see noticeable regrowth within a few months. 4. Puffy eyes and swelling in the face. This firm, doughy swelling called myxedema happens when a jelly-like substance builds up in your skin. It's common around the eyes, hands, and feet, and disappears once hormone balance is restored. 5. Always feeling cold. Low thyroid slows your body's thermostat. If you're the one wearing a sweater when everyone else feels fine, it's a telltale sign. 6. Brain fog and low mood. Hypothyroidism affects serotonin and dopamine, the brain's feel-good chemicals. You might feel forgetful, unmotivated, or even depressed. But once your thyroid is treated, most people describe it as getting their mind back. 7. Weight gain and slow metabolism. Even if your diet hasn't changed, you may gain weight because your body burns fewer calories. Mayo Clinic doctors emphasize that this is not your fault, it's chemistry, not willpower. 8. Hoarse voice or swelling in the neck. The thyroid sits near your vocal cords. If it enlarges, your voice can sound deeper or scratchier. 9. Numbness or tingling in the hands. Swelling around wrist nerves can cause carpal tunnel syndrome, surprisingly common in untreated thyroid issues. 10. Irregular or heavier periods. Thyroid hormone affects estrogen and progesterone. That's why many women notice changes in their cycle or menopausal symptoms worsening. For decades, iodine deficiency was the main cause. That's why iodized salt became standard in the U.S. But recently, mild iodine deficiency is returning because many people switched to non-iodized salts, like sea salt or Himalayan salt. Other modern causes include autoimmune disease, Hashimoto's, when the immune system attacks the thyroid, chronic stress, high cortisol slows hormone production, certain medications, lithium, amiodarone, and some antidepressants can interfere, low selenium or zinc intake, both needed for converting T4 into active T3. Hormonal changes, menopause, and aging reduce thyroid responsiveness. A review from Harvard Medical School found that women over 60 are especially vulnerable not because of poor diet, but due to cumulative stress, gut health, and immune decline. The thyroid is small, but nutritionally demanding. Here are the key nutrients your body needs to support it naturally. To keep your thyroid functioning at its best, your body needs several essential nutrients. Each one plays a unique role, but when combined properly, they help balance hormones, boost energy, and protect your entire metabolic system. 1. Iodine. This is the key ingredient your thyroid uses to produce hormones. You can easily get it from iodized salt, cod, or shrimp. Just make sure you're getting the right amount, not too little, but not too much either. 2. Selenium. Selenium acts like a protective shield for your thyroid, helping prevent damage from free radicals during hormone production. Rich sources include Brazil nuts, tuna, and turkey. 3. Zinc. Zinc helps convert thyroid hormone from its inactive form, T4, into its active form, T3, which your body actually uses. You can find zinc in oysters, lean beef, and pumpkin seeds. 4. Vitamin D. Vitamin D supports your immune system and helps regulate inflammation, especially important if your thyroid issues are autoimmune related, like Hashimoto's. Your body can make it from sunlight, or you can get it from salmon and vitamin D fortified milk. 5. Omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation in thyroid tissue while supporting your heart and brain. The best sources include sardines, chia seeds, and high-quality fish oil. 6. Iron and vitamin B12. These two nutrients help transport oxygen and generate energy for thyroid cells. Vegetarians and older adults are more prone to deficiencies, so include lean meats, eggs, spinach, or B12 fortified foods in your diet. In summary, a healthy thyroid depends not only on medication, but also on how you nourish your body every day with real food, essential minerals, sunlight, and a balanced lifestyle. Lifestyle habits that help. Eat balanced meals, don't skip breakfast. Get 7-8 hours of quality sleep. Move daily, gentle walking, yoga, or Tai Chi. Manage stress, deep breathing, or gratitude journaling. Avoid extreme diets or cleanses. Stay hydrated, your metabolism depends on it. And yes, moderate coffee is fine, but drink water alongside it to stay balanced. Even healthy habits can backfire when overdone. Raw kale or cabbage juices contain goitrogens that can slow thyroid activity if eaten in large raw amounts. Cook them instead. Too much biotin or iodine supplements can distort thyroid lab results. Overfasting or skipping meals confuses your body's metabolism. High chronic stress constantly signals your body to slow everything down. Balance, not extremes, is what keeps your thyroid and your life steady. The best part? Hypothyroidism is very treatable. With the right dose of thyroid hormone, usually levothyroxine, most people regain normal energy and metabolism within weeks. Take it consistently, on an empty stomach, and recheck blood tests regularly. Healing isn't instant, but it's absolutely possible. Your skin, hair, and energy will come back because your body remembers how to thrive once balance is restored. So don't ignore the signs. Ask your doctor for a simple TSH test and take charge of your health. You can't stop aging, but you can age vibrantly. With the right habits, nutrition, and mindset, your thyroid can support you for decades to come. Question for you: which of these symptoms or tips surprised you the most today? Share it below. Your story might help someone else finally find answers. And if this helped you, subscribe to Vital Health Guide US for more trusted, science-backed health secrets for life after 60. Stay healthy, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.